How to color correct drone footage, like a pro. Ever captured breathtaking drone footage only to find the colors looking dull or unnatural? Even the best shots can benefit from color correction to enhance their mood and realism. In this guide, we'll go step by step through the essential techniques to color correct drone footage. Pre-flight camera settings. Before you even hit record, setting up your drone camera properly can save time in post-production. Here's how. Optimize camera settings. Set the right exposure and white balance. Shoot at the right time. Early mornings or late afternoons give softer, easier to correct lighting. Consider weather conditions. Overcast days create a moody effect, while clear skies enhance vibrancy. Step 1. Shoot in a flat color profile like D-Log or D-Cinelike. These profiles preserve highlights and shadows, giving you more flexibility in editing. Using a flat profile with a low ISO minimizes noise, making your footage cleaner and more dynamic. Step 2. Use a reference monitor. Your monitor's color accuracy affects your editing. If it's not calibrated, what looks great on your screen may look different elsewhere. Solution. Calibrate your monitor with a tool like SpiderX or software settings. Step 3. Adjust white balance. Incorrect white balance can make your footage look too warm or too cool. Use your editing software's white balance tool to match natural lighting. Step 4. Correct exposure. A well-balanced exposure keeps details visible in both bright and dark areas. Lower highlights to recover details in bright skies. Raise shadows to bring out details in dark areas. Adjust contrast for added depth. Use the histogram to avoid overexposure or crushed shadows. Step 5. Enhance colors without oversaturating. When enhancing colors, it's important to find balance. Saturation boosts all colors equally. Use with caution to avoid unnatural results. Vibrance enhances muted colors while protecting skin tones, ideal for a natural look. Avoid excessive saturation, which can make footage look artificial. Step 6. Match shots for consistency. To maintain a seamless video, match the color grading across all shots. Use color matching tools or manually adjust white balance and contrast. Save color grading presets for consistent results. Step 7. Use LUTs for professional grading. LUTs, lookup tables, are pre-designed color grading filters that give your footage a professional look instantly. Apply a drone-specific LUT and adjust its intensity for the best results. Recommended tools: Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro. Step 8. Use secondary color corrections. For extra refinement, adjust specific colors without affecting the entire frame. Use masks or color pickers to target skies, water, or other key elements. Adjust hue, saturation, or luminance selectively. Step 9. Final review and exporting. Before finalizing, review your work on a large screen and test playback at different speeds. Choose formats like ProRes or H.264 for color fidelity. And there you have it. By following these steps, your drone footage will look polished, professional, and cinematic. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more editing tips.